Okay, so on this one, we have to find the axis of symmetry, and so we're not in standard form. So basically, we're going to have to find the vertex anyways to help us graph it. So when you find the vertex, what we have to do here is you have to do negative b divided by 2a to figure that out. And then once you figure out that x value, you'll plug it in to figure out the y value. So this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c, which won't be relevant for this problem. So we're going to do negative 2 divided by 2 times 1. So that's going to give us negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. So that's going to be the x value for the vertex, which looks like that's what we have on the graph over here. I'm not sure if this is right or not. We'll see in a second. So my vertex, the x value is negative 1. And that's actually what the axis of symmetry is, and that's what you got right there. That's good. But let's go ahead and figure out the y value that goes with this. So what we're going to do here is we're going to evaluate the function at negative 1. So we'll have negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1, and then minus 3. So let's see, we get 1 plus negative 2 minus 3, which, yeah, it's negative 4. So it looks like we have that correct right here. That looks good. Okay, so the domain, assuming that this is correct, which, yeah, the graph looks good to me. So the domain is going to be from left to right. And so there is no restrictions from left to right. It goes from negative to positive infinity. So that's what we want to have here, negative to positive infinity. The range, on the other hand, it dips down to negative 4, but then goes up to infinity. So it looks like you had all the right answers. I'm not sure why we have the degree symbol there. So if you, when you're doing your homework, there should be a toolbar down here with the infinity symbol. So I'm not really sure what went wrong on this one, because other than that, everything looks really good. Okay, let's look at the other one. This one's a good one. So we have to do the one-to-one property. So basically, if you can get the base of both sides to be the same, you can cancel them out and then just set the exponents equal to each other. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to somehow get the bases to match. So we have 5 to the power of 4x minus 20. And so what we'll do here is I'm going to change the 625 into 5 to the 4th power. That's the same thing. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. Now I can do that one-to-one. So those cancel out. So I'm left with 4x minus 20 equals 4. And then from here, I just solve this, and that will be it. So let's see, I get 4x equals 24. And then we'll divide by 4 on both sides. And so we're going to get x equals 6. And that's your answer right there.